My name is Barış, surname is Kemeç. I am 20 years old and I am a second year student in the Department of Statistics at Marmara University. I'm from Turkey and I live in Istanbul, one of the most beautiful cities in the world, for me. I have some work experience in the past years. I work in daily jobs before, and last summer I worked as a ticket sales assistant for 2 and 3 months. This experience helped me improve my communication skills and become more responsible. I would like to join work and travel program in the United States because I really like exploring new cultures and meeting people from different countries. So far, I visited 5 countries and each trip has given me valuable experience and new friends. I believe that learning about the different cultures makes me more open-minded and confident. And I am always positive, friendly, and I can easily adapt to new environments. I am also a fast learner person and I enjoy taking on new challenge. I believe that skills will help me make the most of my work and travel experience. I am really excited about the opportunity to work in United States. I really want to improve my English and make unforgettable memories in here. Thank you so much for taking time to watch my video and the best wishes from Turkey. See you soon.